Okay, here we go. Today we are going to learn about the PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. So you first open the files, question paper, and you go to the bottom and bottom from the top to the bottom. You have a task about create a presentation or slides here. So you're going to create a short presentation or slide must have consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slide must display a title and bulleted text. You may highlight the key point, consistent, yes, this thing. Okay, create a presentation or 5 slides using the file subpiece. Okay, so when you see your file in the IGCSE or in our assessment, don't just double click. If you just double click, you open a Word and you just start here and you will lose all the points because you cannot do the following step. So here you need to close it first and open the PowerPoint first and import PowerPoint. And normally you just use here to browse your document or you jet the thing you like. So we may use the traditional method, desktop NAS here, and normally you need to copy to your personal folder first. But here, okay, go booster, and when you open, you cannot see everything because there's not the PowerPoint file because you see that they are which test file format RTF, but here's not. So you need to click here all files and you can see your subpiece here, the open, and then you can import. And I may show you the second method I used to use, and is the open the PowerPoint first, and I just drag this one, anything you want, and okay, and you get your PowerPoint. Okay, we open your PowerPoint. So we go to the here format slide 1 so that a title slide layout is applied. Title slide layout was that I will tell you later. And the title and subtitle are placed in the center. Okay, we may highlight keyword title center. Your name appears after I think here is appear to presented by. Okay, what is title slide layout? What's here? It means that this slide, the layout you change it from this one to this one. Title slide. It means that it only contains the titles, no other words. Just like here, and put all the things in the center. Okay, we apply this one, and okay, we finish, and then the next. Okay, they're already in the center. Write down your name after the presented by. So here, this one. Use a master slide to display the following features on all slides. Okay, I think you already know this and did this because you in our DAT reports you need to fulfill those requirements. But here I just want to teach you again. So master slide. Okay, and put all your information and slide number. Okay, header of footer, no, because it doesn't mention a footer or header. You use the thing you like. Okay, so we go to the master slide, go back here and use the wheel and use the slide master here. Remember, go to the topest one, the biggest one, because when you place your mouse, you can see this line only used by slice one. But when you move your mouse here, you can use the final words. The right word is used by slide 1 to 5. So we use this biggest slide. Okay, and it will apply to all our slides. Okay, click this one and add the information. So we try to use the maybe footer here, footer and the slide number and your information, our center number, your student number in our school, and done. Apply to all, and you can see here, and that is the automatic slide number. Okay, when we finish, we go back to the original view. So again, go to slide master and go back. So close the master view, go back to normal view. Okay, we finish. And the next, change the layout of the slide with the title spot categories to a title and table. Okay, again, change the layout to title and table. And create a table that contains 4 columns and 4 rows. Copy the data from the this file, and place this in the table that you just created. Format the table with all grid line display, and low cell shading, like the following. So, okay, we finished the first task, layout to title and table. This one, layout, title and table. Can you see a table here? I cannot see. So normally it goes to the category of content, title and content. So click this one and you can see a table here. Dimension is 4 times 4, and okay, we get this table. And okay, copy the data from this file. So you go to the here, double click, and you will open the file here, and you just copy all the information to your destination. So just right click, copy, and PowerPoint, right click, paste. Okay, wow, looks very ugly. Okay, what can we do? Because very long. Okay, so I suggest you click to the left corner of this table and go to the layout, and then you go to the height. Try to make it smaller. Maybe I type here, maybe 3. Wow. Okay, because I think the words too much works here, and so you cannot make it smaller. So we need to change this one because I want to release this words. This one, I release this word. Many words here. Looks better. And again, click this one. Maybe make it bigger. It's okay. And so we finish. Format a table with all grid lines display. It means that have the backline here, and no shading. It means that actually it's black and white like this one, black and white. Okay, we go back and try to make the border is all the lines, grid lines black, and the shading or the color of the cell is bright. So click this one, Go to layout again. And layout, can you find anything here? No, so we may go to the next tab or design. Design, okay, I think we go to here. All border here, all border, and look, yeah, looks good. They are black and makes with the cell color to be right. So where shading, low shading is like that, right? How about low fill? Low fill is good. This one. Okay, looks like the same. Insert a new row as the first row of the table and enter the heading. Okay, create this heading to the top plus one, top plus row. So just make it here. Okay, the back color here. I think I need to do something with this one color because we cannot see this well. So change the black. Okay, and how can we add a new column? Just click this one and right click. Again, click this one, right click. No. Select the whole one. Okay, the whole one, right click. No. Okay, so we go to the layout. And yes, here, layout and insert above. And you can see a new row is already created. So just place your works here. Okay, the works is the right, so we need to change this one. What's the next? Merge the cell in the first row and center align the heading. So because you see here 4 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, match them to a 1. Right click, layout, merge here, merge, and it is already centered. So we finish. Format row 1 of the table to be bold with a 20 point size, filled with light gray shading. So we mark that right here, gray shading 10%. Remember, it's only row 1. So row 1, bold, already bold 20. And gray shading. Okay, gray shading, you need to select this one with this one and go to the design shading. This one gray here. So because we want to 10%, here is 25. Here is 25. Okay, 25 gray. Okay, but I think this one is okay. Watch the right percentage, 10%. The next one is 25%, and the next one is 50%. So 10% is here. This one. Finish. Save the presentation, and you just only click this one and go and browse. Remember, save to your personal folder, not OneDrive, NAS. Desktop, and student, and here I think you will have, when you copy, you have the booster. You just save the folder. You just copy to here, this one, and save. And so pin out. Pin slides 1 to 4, only 1 to 4, with 2 slides in a page. Okay, and then you pin. So 1 to 4, just go back here, pin, and slide or slide low, 1 to 4. And full page line, it means that pin 1 slide per page. No, we need 2 slides in a page. So this one. Okay, you check this one. Okay, when you finish, just click this button and your file will go to the printer and it will be printed out. Okay, and teacher will collect your answer. Okay, I think you finish. What task 6? When you finish all the tasks, you try to print evidence document. So we stop here. Okay, the next video is about the work. Okay, I may stop here.